What is up, guys? On today's video I'm gonna do a walkthrough of how our Jeep is set up, so let's get started. So here is the Jeep. I just washed it. It looks presentable for you guys, but I know most of you don't want to see a clean Jeep, so but I might as well just clean it so you guys could get a good look at it. So here's the back now. The lighting on this side is better. You guys could see it better. These past few months I've been waiting on all these accessories for the Jeep, and I finally have all of them. I'm gonna show you guys what we did in the back and go from there. So the last video you guys saw was I put on the billy bar rack with the molly panels. So I finally got the molly panels for the other side, and on the right side of the Jeep I mounted the Max Tracks. I used the Max Tracks bolts, and then on the back of that, this is being held by the Prin2 Max Tracks mount. It's not meant for the billy bars, but it works. So I have that mounted on the billy bar molly panel. And then back here I have the roof nest. Got the roof nest rooftop tent. If you could see, it fits great. There's no overhang or anything. I could still push it back a little. It could be flush here, but I like how it's set up right now. So we got that roof nest condor in the back. On the next video, guys, we're gonna do a review on our rooftop tent, the roof nest condor, and hope you guys are excited for that. And on the left side I have the Roto Packs. So I got the Roto Packs with the mounts, and then they are mounted onto the billy bars molly panel. That's why I really like the billy bars. The Voodoo rack, you can't put anything on to the side. You could just put the stuff on the top. That's how it looks. Got the Max Tracks there. And then back here, a lot of people has been asking me, how do I transport my mountain bike? So I have the one up. There it is. I don't use it. Usually just have it off, or I fold it up, and it looks like a rear bumper, so I really like that. And it's very low profile, so it doesn't stick out as much when it's folded. And then I have the black Rhino Kelso wheels in Battleship Gray. Also, it's wrapped in Cooper SCT Pros 37 by 12.5, and the Jeep is lifted with the AEV spacer kit. I believe it's 2-inch. Nothing on the side yet. Still saving up for the rock slide engineering. Pretty expensive, so still saving up on those. So up front, got the Quadratec little antenna. I didn't like the big antenna, so have that. Up here we have the KC Highlights Pro 6. I have the KC Highlights Pro 6 mount, and I powder coated the same color as the Jeep. It's a lot cleaner. Up front we have the Quadratec pre-runner lights. No bumpers yet. Still deciding on what bumper to get. I'm leaning towards the Warn stubby, and then obviously the Warn winch. And then on the hood we have the VSS solar panel. That's the best investment I ever put on this Jeep. I always have power. Battery's never low or anything. My Dometic fridge is always running, so that's good. So far that's what I have with the Jeep. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about the setup, just message me, email us on our Gmail, DM me or Abby, and we'll answer your questions. All the stuff I put on the Jeep, I'm gonna try to link it down in the description where we got it. If you have any suggestion on what we should do with our Jeep, we like it and we think that it's reasonable to put on it, and we'll do that. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.